Strategy number 7, reverse image search. If you publish visual assets such as infographics and charts, there are probably tons of websites out there using your images right now without giving you attribution. You can use a Google reverse image search to find all the websites who are using your images and then reach out to all of them and ask them to link back to your website as a source or a credit. So as you're probably already aware from your own website, when it comes to finding images for your website, it's not the easiest thing to do. A lot of us go over to Google Images or free websites such as Pixabay. However, if you do opt for the first option and use Google Images, then those images aren't royalty free. So you're actually using someone else's images without their permission. So a lot of websites unfortunately actually do this, and if you find the ones that are using your images, you can reach out to them and say, hey, link back to me as a credit, otherwise can you please remove the image from your website? So I'm going to show you exactly how you can find all the websites using your images. And just a word of warning, this only works if the image is unique to you. So it has to be your image. You can't get the image from someone else's website, put it on your website, and then reach out to another website and say, hey, that's my image. It needs to be your image. So let's go over to Google for a live walkthrough, and I'll show you exactly how we can find all the websites using our images. Right, so I'm now on images.google.com. Very important that you're on this URL. If you're on the standard Google URL, then you won't actually have the option to upload an image. So as you can see on images.google.com, we have the option to upload an image. So we can search the whole of Google for all images that are similar to the one we upload. So for example, in this video, I'm going to be using a website I own called Level Finish, which is basically just a floor contracting website. So I've just gone on my carpet installation page and I've opted to go for this image. I've already saved it to my desktop, ready to upload. Just a note as well, this image actually did come from Pixabay, so it is actually a royalty-free image. So I am expecting to get tons of results of other websites using this image as well. So like I said before, do bear in mind when you do pick an image off your website, it needs to be an image that is unique to you. If you use a standard one like I'm going to do right now, then you're going to get tons and tons of results and you won't be able to reach out to the websites and claim that attribution as the main image source. So like I said, I've saved this over on my desktop already. So I'm going to go back to Google Images and then click search by image, click upload an image, choose file, and then select my image of the carpet and then click open. So this is now going to search the whole of Google, every single website, and return all the websites that are using this image on the website. So let's just scroll down. We can see we've got very similar images as well. We've got 5-star rated. We've got Amazon. I'm going to ignore Amazon. Let's look at this one right here, 5-star rated. And you can see it's a standard blog post. Why does my carpet smell worse after cleaning? Which is quite an interesting topic. And as you can see, they're using the same image that I'm using on my website on Level Finish. So again, if this was actually my image and I took it of a carpet in my home or one of my clients' home, I can actually reach out to this website, go on the contact page and just say, hey, I've noticed you guys are using one of my images on your website. And then I would copy the URL for reference and I would simply ask them to credit me as a source for this image. And if they don't do that, can they please remove the image off the website as it is my image and I have full ownership over that. So as you can see, you can actually go over to Google and get tons and tons of different websites all using the image on there. So it's actually a really good link building method to get tons of links for your website. Just do bear in mind, for this to work, you need to have unique images that are popular, or you need to be posting tons of infographics and charts. Just give it information about stuff within your industry. So that is it for strategy 9. I'll see you in the next video for strategy number 10.